If you're 40 or older, and no matter how many diets you've tried, your belly fat just won't go away, I want you to stop scrolling and listen carefully. Because what I'm about to share with you is something most people overlook. Yet it can literally reset how your body burns fat every single morning. You see, after the age of 40, your body doesn't respond to food the same way it used to. Your metabolism slows, your hormones shift, and your digestion weakens. That's why you might be eating healthy, but still gaining around your waist. The real reason isn't what you're eating, but how your body starts its morning. The first thing you drink after waking up can either wake up your metabolism or keep it asleep all day. So here's a simple morning habit that's been quietly helping thousands of people in their 40s, 50s, even 60s to burn fat naturally. No workouts, no crazy diets, just a simple ritual. Before you eat breakfast, drink 1 glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon and a small pinch of cinnamon. That's it. Sounds too easy? Let me explain why this works so powerfully. When you combine warm water with lemon, it stimulates your liver to produce bile, the fluid responsible for breaking down fat. Most people over 40 have sluggish liver function, which makes it harder to digest fat and easier to store it. The lemon water helps reverse that. Now, cinnamon plays the second key role. It stabilizes your blood sugar and lowers insulin spikes, which means your body stops storing fat and starts burning the fat you already have. Together, these two simple ingredients create a gentle but powerful fat-burning effect inside your body. And the best part? They also improve digestion, reduce bloating, and balance your appetite, so you naturally eat less throughout the day without even trying. I recommend using fresh lemon and Ceylon cinnamon. That's the pure form, not the cheap cassia type. Mix half a lemon's juice and a pinch of cinnamon in about 8 ounces of warm water. Stir it well and drink it slowly before breakfast. Do this for just 7 days, and watch how your belly area starts feeling lighter and your energy levels more stable. This simple drink also supports your liver, balances gut bacteria, and even improves skin clarity. All because your body finally starts detoxing properly again. Remember, this isn't a magic fix. It's a metabolic trigger. Once your metabolism wakes up, everything else starts aligning. Better digestion, more energy, less sugar craving, and yes, gradual fat loss. So start your mornings with this tiny change and give your body a chance to work the way it's meant to. And if you want to make it even more effective, I've linked a high-quality Organic Ceylon Cinnamon powder in the description. That's the one I personally recommend to anyone trying this routine because purity matters when it comes to results. Try it for a week and see how your body responds. Sometimes it's not about doing more, it's about doing the right small thing every single morning.